Cutting Jim's hair, we're going to go ahead and bring this retractable lever towards us here, right? So we had it away from us when we cut up to that first fade line. We're going to bring it towards us here. We're going to go about 1/4 of an inch from where we were just at when we were fading in that second fade line. Now, as you see here, we're getting closer and closer to that first fade line. And again, we've gone up about another 1/4 of an inch there. Okay, same thing with the clippers here. You want to brush them off after each time you use it to get that excess hair out. And again, same thing with these here. You can use the oil here, lube them up so they don't get rusted. Keep them clean after each time.